Hi again. We will continue to check the policy, and the firewall is working and it's doing what we ask him to do. And now I check the Windows 10 and see that we still don't have internet access. So I want to figure it why. I will need to go to the log, so I will enable smart log. It's easier. We'll do install again. And when it's done, we will open the smart log and check out why our virtual windows cannot have access to the internet. So as we can see here, we don't want the host PC, not we just want to figure out why doesn't work. And I can see that I use the private IP, I don't have natural. I will go back. No, I will do add rule at the top. I will tell him, I don't remember, 10.5.4, 10.5.4. When this one is speaking with the host PC, I don't want it to use NAT. I will do the same. But when it's go to all the rest, I will do hide behind gateway. No, I'm sorry, it's not destination, it's source. And I will change to hide. And so when I try to reach the internet, the firewall will ask for me the data. The internet will see its IP 10.5.1.3, and the VM will hide it again because it's not, this interface is not. So the first NAT the firewall will do, and the second one the VMware workstation will do because it's NAT. So it's double NAT. Now when it's done, we can go to the Windows 10 and do refresh. And let's check. Okay. So we have internet access. I will try to access the host PC. Let's say 10.5.5.11. I will try to reach this one from here to here, and I should see that it's dropped. So we'll go here. As we can see, Win10 VM reaching host PC, and it's dropped. Now I will do the same from here, from host PC. I will try 10 10.5.4, and it should drop also. Let's do filter, different filter. Instead of SRC, we look for destination. Let's check again. I want to try from here to here, 10.5.4.11. No match found. Let's check again. You see, we have troubleshooting. VMnet VMnet 10. Okay. I'm going to the default gateway, and I need to configure static route. Route at 10.5.4.11 must. And we need to go to 10.5.5.3. Let's check. 10.5.5.3 is the gateway for 10.5.4.11. That's it. Now let's try again. Now I should see log. Okay, host PC is trying. Now I need to see that on FTP it's work. So I need to check. 1 minute, I will pass. Okay, I copy to the Windows 10 virtual machine the Tricom daemon. I use it for FTP. I configure the FTP. I have user and password. So I will try to FTP from host to the VM. That's it. So what I did here, I saw that when I'm trying to access the folders on 10.5.4.11, it's blocked. And when I'm trying to FTP, it's work. Now I will go to the login and see. FTP is green and Microsoft DTS is not. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next one.